Top 10 African countries with the most intelligent people. What is the intelligence quotient? The definition states that the intelligence quotient is a measure of intellectual ability. Often the IQ is confused with a concrete performance or even education. However, it is the ability of performing. In other words, the ability for comprehension, combinations and learning. A person isn't less intelligent because of lower level of education. Africa is the world's second largest and second most populous continent, after Asia. At about 30.3 million square kilometers, 11.7 million square miles, including adjacent islands, it covers 6% of Earth's total surface area and 20% of its land area. With 1.3 billion people as of 2018, it accounts for about 16% of the world's human population. The continent is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, the Isthmus of Suez and the Red Sea to the northeast, the Indian Ocean to the southeast and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. The continent contains 54 fully recognized sovereign states, countries, 8 territories and 2 de facto independent states with limited or no recognition. The question of the intelligence of a certain nationality or population may be controversial. In fact, intelligence is influenced by national, political, and geographic factors. Here are the top 10 African countries with the most intelligent people. The statistics were released by IQ Research. Number 10, Zambia. Zambia is located on the plateau of Central Africa, between 1,000 and 1,600 meters above sea level. Number 9, Kenya. Kenya, a country in East Africa bordering the Indian Ocean in southeast. Neighboring countries are Ethiopia, Somalia, South Sudan, Tanzania, and Uganda. Number 8, Egypt. Egypt is a country in North Africa, on the Mediterranean Sea, and is home to one of the oldest civilizations on Earth. Number 7, Zimbabwe and Madagascar. Zimbabwe, formerly Rhodesia, is a landlocked country located in southern Africa, between the Zambezi and Limpopo rivers. Madagascar, officially the Republic of Madagascar and previously known as the Malagasy Republic, is an island country in the Indian Ocean. Number 6, Tunisia. Libya and Algeria. Tunisia, Libya and Algeria are the country in the Maghreb region of North Africa. Number 5, Uganda, Nigeria and Morocco. Uganda is a landlocked country in East Central Africa. Nigeria, officially the Federal Republic of Nigeria, is a country in West Africa. Morocco, mountainous country of western North Africa that lies directly across the Strait of Gibraltar from Spain. Number 4, Eritrea. Eritrea, officially the State of Eritrea, is a country in East Africa situated in the Horn of Africa. Number 3, Seychelles. Seychelles, officially the Republic of Seychelles, is an archipelagic island country in the Indian Ocean. Number 2, Mauritius. Mauritius, known officially as the Republic of Mauritius, is an island nation located off the southeast coast of the African continent in the Indian Ocean. Number 1, Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone, officially the Republic of Sierra Leone, informally Salonais, is a country on the southwest coast of West Africa.